Why are you squeaking?
We're gonna take even better pictures.
Squirrel's up there. See him moving right there. There he is. Bye, squirrel. Nature walking. I took a video of the squirrel. I want to say that's not good hiking clothes. Yo, yo. We got bikers. They're coming in hot. But they're going to trip on the rocks anyway, so. Ah!
Good morning.
Oh, hello.
Go over here, go over here, go over here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Beautiful day for a hike.
Yep.
Yeah, well, this
A little too hot in here. It's like it's being in a jungle. Dad, can we just stop for a while? I want to take a look at the nature. I want to record some of the nature. If we're doing a nature walk, at least let me record stuff. Hey, there's a squirrel up there. I can hear squirrel calls. It's a weird tree formation. I think they're coming. Guys, I hear really cool creatures. Beautiful. We're in the wild bushes of Africa. Nah, I'm just kidding with you. Alright. Let's make this a good one. Now I'm recording the nature. Oh, look at this enclosed forest. Beautiful. That's beautiful. That's wonderful. I'll get it in the video. I think that's just a spruce cluster.
Sure, don't sit on a place where you could poke your pants.
Nope.
Yeah,
Edwin, what do you think of this nature walk? Good. What else?
Picture.
Alright.
Look at the picture. Put now.
Can I see the picture now?
Here.
Can I see
Mom,
the
you
picture?
take a picture of me and.
Let me see the picture.
Amber, what are you recording it for? Okay,
It's a nature walk.
Edwin, come with me. Come with me right here.
The video's time is almost out,
Mommy,
so
can you stand right here, maybe?
apparently Dad wants us to go up here.
Okay, there's some sun shining through, so make